Construction sites are dangerous places. That's why people wear a hard hat. And oftentimes workers and third parties are injured on the job site. So what does that all mean? Well, it can mean several things. If you're a construction worker and you're injured on the job site, you're going to have a workers' comp claim, and you may have what's called a third party claim, wherein you sue someone other than your employer for causing your harm. Either way, construction accidents are serious and they require serious personal injury lawyers to handle. If you find yourself hurt on the job or at a construction site, give Pratt Injury Lawyers a call. We handle these cases all the time.